Greetings to each and everyone. I am Phelan Ibn Daud, married to Mr. Jimmy Daud with 2 daughters and 1 son, graduated as a Bachelor of Science in Radiologic Technology at Universidad de Zamboanga year 2017.
I had always dreamed of becoming a teacher. Juggling family responsibilities and studies was a formidable challenge, but I was determined. Each day, after caring for my family and managing household duties, I would devote my evenings to studying. The journey was not easy. There were nights when I felt overwhelmed and doubt my ability to succeed. My family, seeing my dedication, rallied around me, offering me support and encouragement. I want to say thank you so much to all of you, most especially to my husband, who's always been there since day one. When the day of the examination arrived, I approached it with a mix of nerves and confidence. Weeks later, when the results were announced, Alhamdulillah, my name is there. I need to look for the training center to help me boost my knowledge, and Alhamdulillah, I found the Barn Testa. Thank you so much for the knowledge, and most especially to our mentor, Miss May Tanti King. Ma'am, I really salute you, and I hope this is not the end. Once again, thank you, best of all. I do the best that I can para sa oportunidad ng kinabukasan at ikaunlad ng bangsa mo.